This is how to project the order on the chart for a market order. So we are in the paper trading now and we go to trade. And the order ticket opens 5 units of BTC market, but we see nothing in the chart here. Where exactly is this order going to be? You right click, go to settings, and you scroll down to project order for market orders. Now you see it appeared. We enable this, press OK, and whenever we go to create an order, you will see this feature on the chart. You can click buy here. Suddenly, the order has been executed. We can use this, click and drag, take profit. We can use this, click and drag for stop loss. This is how to enable project order for market orders on chart and manage your take profit and stop loss.